Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi and today I am going to show you this floral raw stones that we have recently launched. These are some beautiful raw stones that you can use for painting, dotting, acrylic pour, resin pour, for any form of art that you can imagine. So friends, these stones were basically made for the beginners or for kids who want to paint on stones but they don't want to paint on a very big stone. So these are very small handy stones that you can try. Friends, I've used the fine dotting tools from our Shunya toolkit. You can buy this toolkit from our website. Please check the description box for the links to order. So friends, we have these six different variety of stones in this set. So I'm starting up with a base coat. I'm using Fevicryl acrylic paint, black color here, and I'm just covering all the surface possible. Similarly, I'm doing the base coat of the second stone. For this next stone, I'm using Fevicryl white color paint here and covering all the surfaces. For the next stone, I'm using this bronze color. It has come from a metallic Fevicryl paint set. I'll mention all the color shades in the description box, so please don't forget to check the description box regarding all the details. So friends, let's start with the first stone. I'm using teal blue color here, dipping my tool into the paint and then making these tiny dots. So I'm making the dots in such a way that the size of the dots keep on decreasing, as you can see here. It will give a beautiful taper shape structure, and try to make the dots of each row in between the dots of the previous row, and try to keep it as close as possible. So we are leaving the other part of the petal for the different color shade, and then we are shifting to the next petal and doing the same teal blue color here also. So for the next part of the petal, I'm using cerulean blue color here. So you can see how I'm dipping my tool every time for making the dots and making the tiny dots here. So you have to repeat this pattern again and again and fill the petal. There is a small depression in the middle of these petal. You just have to leave it as of now. We'll color it later. So friends, for the this depression part, I'm using this glitter tubes that I found in a nearby stationery store, and these are absolutely beautiful golden glitter colors that I'm using here. I'll mention about the brand that I've used here in the description box. And similarly for the center, I'm using this magenta color glitter and then surrounding it with the golden color. As you can see, it's very easy to use. These are some easy projects that you can do with your kids at home. So for this star shape structure, I'm using the magenta color. And this stone is ready. So friends, for the second stone, I am planning to make it as a sunflower. So I am dotting the center part with this bronze color or a slightly brownish metallic color, I would say. So I'm dotting it like this. I'm dipping my tool every time to the paint and making tiny dots. As you can see, there are already some elevated dots, so it's quite easy to make dots on them. So friends, now I am starting up with the petal. I have used this bright yellow color here, and I am dotting it and making tiny dots. Try to make the dots from bigger to smaller so that it will give a beautiful taper shape structure. Or even if you are unable to do it, you can just dot it randomly. That will also be fine. So I am moving from one petal to other and doing it similarly. If you don't want to do it in a sequence, you can just dot it randomly. That is a random tiny yellow dots. That will also look beautiful in this. Friends, I just can't tell you how happy I am to dot in this beautiful stones. It is so much fun to try something new because we normally paint on the canvas or MDF board, which sometimes become boring. So this is a beautiful small stone that you can just, it will hardly take few minutes to complete, and you can do with your kids, and I'm sure they will love it. This is a just a single art form that I am trying, but you can do so many things with this stone. You can do acrylic pour, you can also do resin pour over it, you can do normal acrylic painting and many more things. So friends, similarly I have dotted on the lower part of the petal as well, and this is how it looks now. Isn't it looking absolutely gorgeous? I am loving it. So let's moving on to the next stone. Here I am using this same golden glitter color, and I am just covering up the edges of it. As you can see, these are very simple, yet it is giving very beautiful texture to the stone. So I am coloring it with Rangoli glitter color at the center, and I am then coloring it with the same Rangoli color glitter at the outermost edge. So friends, for the center part I am using the golden glitter and making a small dot and then covering it up with the Rangoli color glitter, and then again covering it up with the same golden color glitter. And similarly I'm just doing the Rangoli color and the golden color glitter in a sequence, and I'm just filling up the center part with it. So in this way this stone is also done. So friends, for this next stone I have used purple color base coat, and I'm using this magenta color for making the dots. As you can see, I am just leaving the small depression part, and then I'm just filling up the all the rest of the part with this magenta color. So friends, in this you can see how the size of the dots is decreasing from top to the bottom part. This is because we are just dipping our tool once and then running the tool from the outer part to the inner part. So in that case, the size will keep on decreasing and it will give a beautiful taper shape structure. So you have to fill all the petals similarly. So when all the petals are completed, we are just filling up the depression part with the silver color glitter. We just have to squeeze the tube and fill the gap. And then in the innermost part, I'm again using the same silver color glitter. There is this elevated flower shape structure, so I'm just covering it up alternatively, not all the part of it. And then I'm using this magenta color glitter and covering the rest of the parts. I am absolutely loving it, I just can't tell you. And fill the center part with silver glitter, and this stone is also done. So for the next stone with a white base, I'm using this pearl lilac color, and I am coloring alternatively the small petals. I'm using a very fine brush and coloring it alternatively. And then I'm coloring on the outermost part of it, on the sides of these petals. So friends, for the rest of the part of the petal, I'm using this pink pearl color. As you can see, it's a beautiful bright pink color. So I'm just coloring it with a fine brush alternatively, and also covering the sides of it. Now I'm using this silver color glitter tube, and I'm filling up the inner part of the flower. And for the center part, I am again using this magenta color tube. Friends, then I decided to cover up all the edges with this glitter color. So I'm using silver color on the lilac paint. So friends, now I am using magenta color on this pearl pink color, and just doing the outline of this edges of the petal. So friends, similarly all my 5 stones are done. I have not done the 6th part because I wanted to do some acrylic pour on it. So let me know in the comment section which was your favorite among all these 5. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to see more such beautiful DIY videos. And if you have already subscribed, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.